setup of my patio. Clean underneath your tiles. Make sure the ground's flat, makes it easy. This is going to be a fountain eventually. We're going to fill it with rocks, finish concreting it off, make it all look nice. Maybe another one will go up on this landing here, or maybe I'll just put some plants in there. Have a few options there. Yeah, well, last night's hailstorm made me take it apart, clean it all up because it was full of junk. But yeah, nice quick build for you. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.